Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? The truth is, financial success isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. If you want to break free from financial limitations and build massive wealth, you need to understand the secrets that the rich use to multiply their income. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful income secrets that can completely transform your financial future. These strategies have helped countless millionaires build wealth, and they can work for you too, if you apply them correctly. So, let's dive into the secrets that can make you rich. Never rely on one income source. Wealthy people don't depend on a single paycheck. They create multiple streams of income to ensure financial security. A job alone won't make you rich, but having investments, side businesses, real estate, and passive income sources can. Imagine losing your job, would you still have money coming in? If not, it's time to build other income streams. Start with small investments or an online business, and over time, these can grow into significant wealth. Financial freedom isn't about working more hours, it's about making money work for you. Learn high income skills. The difference between struggling financially and becoming wealthy is the value you bring to the marketplace. High-income skills like copywriting, sales, investing, AI, or coding allow you to charge premium rates. The more valuable your skill set, the higher your earning potential. Instead of working harder for low wages, focus on learning skills that companies and clients are willing to pay thousands for. Find what's in demand, master it, and watch your income grow. Invest and let money grow. The rich don't just earn money, they multiply it. One of their biggest secrets is using compound interest and smart investments. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or business reinvestments, the goal is to put money into assets that grow over time. Every dollar you invest today can turn into 10 in the future. The earlier you start investing, the greater the rewards. Instead of saving all your money in a bank, put it in high-growth opportunities and let it work for you. Create a scalable business. Working for a fixed salary limits your income. Instead, the wealthy focus on scalable businesses that generate money without constant effort. Digital products, online courses, affiliate marketing, and automation-based businesses allow you to earn while you sleep. Think about businesses that don't require you to trade time for money. Once set up, they can keep generating income with minimal effort, making financial freedom much easier to achieve. Develop a wealthy mindset. The biggest wealth-building secret isn't just money, it's mindset. Rich people think long-term, take smart risks, and embrace failures as learning experiences. They surround themselves with other successful individuals and keep learning, adapting, and growing. If you want to be rich, start thinking and acting like the wealthy. Believe in your potential, take action, and never stop improving.